Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the door glass on your front load washer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit to unthread the 4 screws, securing the door hinge to the front panel. Lift the hinge up to detach the door assembly. This may require some effort. Detach the door wire connector retainer from the hinge to fully release the door assembly. Unthread all of the screws holding the inner door panel to the outer door frame. Set the inner door panel aside. Note the orientation of the old door glass, then lift it off. Install the new door glass by lining it on the outer door frame. The wider portion of the glass should be facing the bottom of the frame. Realign the inner door panel. Thread all of the screws. Reattach the door wire connector retainer to the hinge. Then insert the hinge tabs into the slots in the side of the front panel. Rethread the 4 screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and your front load washer should be ready for use.